Hey guys, Firearms Addict here, and this is another video in the BB gun challenge that Gun Wild 1 proposed, and this is my Sig Sauer 1911. This is a standard 4.5 millimeter BB gun, and it features a removable magazine that's pretty easy to fill. You just pull down on this button, it'll hold 20 BBs. The magazine goes in from the bottom. It also features the use of a standard 12 gram CO2 cartridge that again feeds from the bottom. You just use a hex key to take that off and puncture the CO2 cartridge, and then you are ready to fire. It does have a safety here, and let's see how it does. There we go. Seems to not be feeding BBs quite frequently. There we go. All right, it's out. The Sig Sauer 1911 BB gun, it features full-size 1911. It does have a Picatinny rail up here. It has a white bead front sight, fixed rear sight, and nothing moves on it. The hammer and everything is just fixed in place. And the safety, like I showed earlier, is on the side, which is different than a true 1911. But fun to shoot, plank with, would be decent for a larger size kid. I don't think a small child could handle the size of the grips. Thank you for watching. Check out the other BB gun challenge videos that people are posting, and hit that like button. Love to hear your comments, and please subscribe. Hey guys, Firearms Addict here, and I am participating in another no. Hush. Hush. Hey guys, Firearms Addict here, and I am participating in Gun Wild 1's... Don't stop. Hey guys. The Sig Sauer 1911. This is full... Yeah.